Welcome back to Alicia Over 40 Style. I'm glad you're here today because there's a belief many of us quietly carry. Style doesn't end when you turn 40. Instead, it transforms into something deeper and more intentional. In this video, we're exploring why confidence in personal style often fades for women after 40 and how to restore it by aligning with your current self. Many women start hearing quiet expectations that fashion should become more restrained once they reach midlife, less bold, less expressive, less attention grabbing. Over time. That message can turn dressing into habit instead of expression. But here is something important to remember. Style is not something that expires at any age. It simply learns a new rhythm. Often what feels like losing style is actually a gap between who you are today and what your wardrobe reflects. Life evolves, your body evolves, priorities shift. And when clothing doesn't follow that evolution, it can feel disconnected not from yourself but from what you wear. This stage of life carries real strength. You are no longer exploring randomly. You are shaping identity. Clothing becomes less about trends and more about direction in how you present yourself, what you prioritize, and how you want to be seen. When your wardrobe and sense of self are in harmony, something shifts. You stand taller, you feel steadier, and your presence becomes more natural. This is not about reversing time. It is about expressing who you are right now. The strongest version of your current self, not a memory of who you used to be. Chasing younger aesthetics often creates tension, but refining your look brings ease. You don't need drastic changes. Most improvements come from subtle adjustments. For example, small refinements might include improved garment, fit, cleaner lines, intentional color selection, minimal yet refined pieces, noticing how outfits influence your mindset. These simple changes gradually rebuild assurance within you. Not instantly, but steadily. When your clothing supports your body and feels comfortable, you reinforce an internal message: I deserve comfort and care. That belief outweighs every passing fashion wave. If this speaks to you, you belong here. Consider subscribing to Alicia Over 40 Style for practical outfit ideas that support confidence, elegance, and alignment. After 40, I would also like to hear your biggest style struggle since turning 40. Share it below in the comments. I read every response. Style beyond 40 is not about restriction. It is about refinement. And the most powerful thing you can wear at any stage of life is confidence that genuinely feels like you. Thank you for spending this moment with me. I appreciate your time and attention. Remember, your style is a living reflection of your story. It should grow with you, not stay frozen in the past. Let your wardrobe support the life you are actively building. If you enjoyed this discussion, join us by subscribing to Alicia Over 40 Style. Share your thoughts below because I truly read and reflect on them. Before you go, take a moment to think about one outfit that makes you feel fully yourself. Style is never about age limits. It is about presence, clarity, and self-respect. Carry that mindset forward into every choice you make. This is Alicia Over 40 Style. I will see you in the next video. Take care and keep expressing yourself with confidence.